Hello, guys from the ninth grade. It's a pleasure speaking to you again, even if is in this medium. I hope we can see us again soon back in the school. But for now, we have to keep working in our educational project that we already start. So for today, we're going to recap a topic that we already saw in class, that is countable and uncountable nouns. That is the topic that we already saw and we already work. But to recap and to complete the assignment that will be allotted to the platform, I hope you can watch this video and help you to remember what are countables and uncountable nouns. Let's start with the countables or count nouns. The count nouns are nouns that you can put a number on it. Some things that have shape or no shape, but you can count. You can say, put a number, say 1, 2, 3, 4, how many of them you're going to have. It can be with a shape, for example, a dog, a chair, a table, a student, or a door. With no shape, a date, a month, a year, a journey, how many years you have, an activity, a job, an assignment. Can also be plural or singular. So for example, we got singular countable nouns, dog, plural, dogs, depending of how many numbers you're going to have. Excuse me for the noise, but I live in a very noisy neighborhood, even in quarantine. Now, for singular countable nouns, they must have a determinant or an article in front of them. So, for example, I want an orange because it's only a single orange. You only have one. Where is that book? Because you only have one. So you have the determinant over here, or the article. Do you want this movie? So you can see when you see this article, you can be pretty sure that you are talking about a count now. For plural countable nouns, the determinant is going to vary depending of the situation. For example, I like to water the flowers. In this case, we have a determinant in the situation. Cars are adorable pets. In this case, the determinant for cats is going to be the sentence per se. So it's going to help us to see when we're going to have a countable or an uncountable noun. I want those books. See, you have an article before the noun. So all this, we have flowers, we have cats, and we have books, and even pets. So they are count nouns. Now, uncountable nouns. An uncountable noun is a noun that you can count in the number directly. So you cannot put a number to that. There are very things or very small things. For example, milk, you can not say you have one milk or two milk, or sugar or salt or sands, very small things, or very big things. In emotions, you cannot put a number in the emotions. You have anger, you don't have one anger, two anger. So language, English and German. So you have learning the English language, but you can say you are English. You cannot put a noun, sorry, a number in that. Or a subject, mathematics or physics. You can put a determinant to this noun. For example, you can say that you can learn language, that language is a countable noun, or you can learn a class. The class are countable nouns because you can say 1, 2, 3 class. But in this case, the uncountable nouns or mass nouns because you cannot put a number on it. So activity, news, money, very, very big things or very, very small things. So these are the nouns we are going to be seeing and remember in our book assignment. This is the first part, and stay with me for the second part. Okay, guys, so we're back to see what is going to be the work that you're going to be doing in your house and then uploading to our platform. So in this case, you're going to be working with the pages 8 and 9 of your workbook. Okay, so get pages 8 and 9 of your workbook, and then we're going to be working with count and mass nouns. So in the first part, you're going to determine either the noun that we have here is count or mass. And then you're going to have to write an original sentence. You need a new paragraph, something that you want to write, and using 5 count nouns and 5 mass nouns. So try to write a story and complete the activity. The nouns is going to be over here. So you're going to be knowing what nouns are count and what nouns are mass. Then we're going to identify these nouns over here to they either C for count or M for mass. Now, in the next page, in the page 9, we're going to try to predict in the blank space uh, there is a count noun or a mass noun. Remember to look for the determinant. Is going to tell you if in here we're going to have a count or a mass noun. So you have to put right here, uh, write the noun in this case. So look for the noun that is completing the sentence. Then you're going to see either these nouns over here can be count, can be mass, or one of them, or more of them can be both. So this is the work you're going to be doing, and remember to upload it to the platform. Have a great week, and we see you the next time.